the God for Almighty who has given us her mercy and blessings until we can attend in this meeting without any obstacles and in this good occasion. So we are from the third group, and then today we will present the result of our discussion. Before that, we want to introduction our member group. The first, I'm Nur Teherani.
I'm Vidya Ramadhani Ruwanti.
I am Eka Handayani Putri.
I'm Sylvia Nugra.
I am Andi Muhammad Fadli Rustam.
Okay, as per the points discussion in our group, there is definition and purpose of accounting. There's history of accounting in Indonesia, the accounting process, part of accounting and accounting jobs, user of accounting information, accounting versus bookkeeping and accounting principle, accounting information and accounting cycle, grammar focus, simple future tense. Okay. Next, I will hand it over to the speaker.
What is accounting? So, what is accounting? It's more than just number, row, eight, name, and definition. With the account definition and the four record, class, and summary financial transaction, and explaining the rows, the hits, the project, and variant natural. The accounting phrase both the surface and in-depth connection information to a economic decision need. Financial the emerging accounting so the description and process of records most in company internal information to exist in for the sign be served. In a side accounting is the layers of the books the tale with financial story for organization. History in accounting Indonesia. Now let's look at the real history of accounting in Indonesia. A more relation what the foreign the Indonesian Institute of Accounting or I on December the four definition of the Persian. The Persian accounting accounts was for with later account informed the post accounting component for SNI, the Indonesian Institute of the Indonesian Institute for Change Boost Accounting or I was in the online the financial so the accountants the apply and professionals of accounting in on your course.
Okay, thanks to Sylvia Nugra. The next material will be read by Vidya Ramadhani.
So, the next slide is accounting process. The accounting process has 6 points. The accounting process is a series of steps that raw financial data into useful information. It starts with number 1 in recording. Recording all transactions. Transaction are classification. Before classification into relevant category, the next they are summarized in the clear and choice manner. After that, the financial effects are mentioned. The results are then presented through reporting and communicating. Typical in financial statement. Finally, the information is interpreted to understand what is mean for the decision. The mean for the business, helping stakeholders make information decision. This process ensures financial data is accurate, organized, and meaningful. The next slide is file of accounting and accounting jobs. So file of accounting, the first file with the several specialization. The main file include number 1 is final accounting, 2 auditing, 3 management accounting, 4 is tax accounting, 5 is cost accounting, and the last 6 government accounting. The number 1 is financial accounting, which focus on reporting for external user. Number 2 is auditing, which includes checking the accuracy of financial report. And number 3, management accounting, which provides internal information for manager. And the 4, tax accounting, which deals with the tax, which deals with tax calculation and planning. Number 4 is cost accounting. Cost accounting, which analyzes production costs. And the last is government accounting, which manage public function, and corresponding to their files there are various care plans. So the next is accountant job is a public accountant in service multiple client, and 2 is management accountant working within a company, 3 government accountant in the public sector, or an accounting educator shaping future accountants.
Okay, thanks to Vidya Ramadhani. And the next material will be read by Eka Handayani.
Okay, the next accounting versus bookkeeping. It's important to distinguish between bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping is the procedural day-to-day task of recording transactions. It is a crucial part of the accounting process. Accounting, on the other hand, is the entry system. It includes recording, but also goes further to involve analyzing and reporting financial information. It's the broader process that uses bookkeeping data to paint a complete financial picture. To ensure consistency and reliability in the process, we have accounting principles. Known as GAAP of General GAAP Accounting Principles. These principles act as a common set of rules and guidelines. Without them, every accounting might use a different method, leading to confusing and unreliable financial statement. Next, accounting information and accounting cycle. Accounting cycle. The accounting is the holistic process of recording and processing a financial transaction of a company, from when the transaction occurs to its reparations on the financial statement. The cycle repeats itself every fiscal year as long as a company remains in business. Use of accounting information. Accounting provides company with information for business performance management, create company budgets, making business decisions, and informing investment decisions. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks to Eka Handayani. The next material will be read by Andi Muhammad Fahri Rustam.
Now, let's shift gears to our grammar focus, the simple future tense. We use this tense to talk about action that will happen in the future. This can be for the prediction, spontaneous decision, or promise. There are two main forms. The first form use will or shall. Positive formula, subject plus will or shall plus verb 1. The example, she will travel to Bali next month. Negative formula, subject plus will not or won't plus verb 1. Example, they will not come to the meeting. Question formula, will plus subject plus verb 1. Example, will you join us for dinner? The second form use be going to. Positive formula, subject plus to be is I'm, are plus going to plus verb 1. Example, I'm going to study tonight. Negative formula, subject plus to be plus not plus going to plus verb 1. Example, he is not going to buy a new car. Question formula, to be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1. Example, are you going to watch the movie? We often use time expression, tomorrow, next week, next year, and soon. Let's look at the specific uses. We use will for prediction, it will rain tomorrow. Spontaneous decision, I'll pay for the tickets. Willingness of or offer, I'll help you with your homework. Promise, I will call you later. Plan, with be going to, we are going to visit Paris next summer. Note, will is more common than shall in modern English. Grammar practice, put the verbs into the correct form. Future simple, use will. You will earn a lot of money. You will travel around to the world. You will meet lots of interesting people. Everybody will adore you. You will not or have any problems.
Okay, I think that's all from us. If there any mistake, please forgive for us. Last we say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi